Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. It's Friday night. Yes, I'm back on a Friday. Last Friday did me really well, so hoping tonight is just the same. As soon as I turned on the app, it was offer after offer after offer. But then it was really bad offer, really bad offer, really bad offer. A trip radar came in, $8.40, 24 minutes. You know what? It's not too bad to start. I think it's going to be ready. It's only pizza and breadsticks. Let's go grab it. Great, appreciate it. There you go. Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a good night.
You too. Take care. I hope it's not going to be one of those nights. I just declined 6 orders in a row. Really bad offers. Actually, 3 of them were the same type of order. It was for a restaurant, 42 minutes in total. They wanted to pay me $8. I was like, no. Then it comes up in a trip radar, and then it comes up in a trip radar with a double. Absolutely ridiculous. But then it timed me out after a while because I kept declining. It just was not good enough. I did take this one. Hopefully it's ready. I can get it done quick. $6, 15 minutes. Let's grab it. Awesome.
The order number is 8E44.
Let me just pull it back up. Yes, 8E44. Thank you. Appreciate that. You too. So that wait absolutely sucked. I had to go to the back of the restaurant. No big deal. But then I'm hitting the buzzer, hitting the buzzer, hitting the buzzer, and it wasn't ready. In the meantime, they did give me this one, $5.65 for another 9 minutes. I figured if I'm waiting there, this one should be ready. Easy money. Let's go grab it. Hi, good. How about you?
Good.
Picking up Uber Eats for Luke.
For Luke? Okay,
Yes.
give me one moment.
Thank you.
Uber for Luke?
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate that. You too. There you go. Thank you. Enjoy. So en route to that last drop off, Uber started giving me some really bad offers, like $3, $3.44 for 2, really bad offers. There's a $15.09 for almost an hour, going way far away. Not gonna take that, but as soon as I deliver it, took my picture, did all of that, then they give me this message that I see all the time. In fact, I've actually seen it 3 times tonight. It says, you haven't accepted a trip in a while. I just finished a trip, but now they're asking me if I want to stay online or go offline. Absolutely ridiculous when I'm clearly online and I just dropped off and I didn't take myself off. I have no idea why they do this other than to annoy us. I welcome your comments below because I really don't understand it. It's just more aggravation more than anything. But thankfully they came through and did give me this one, $16.51, 24 minutes. Love that one. Let's go grab it. Hi, picking up for Uber Eats, 6FF64. Appreciate it, thank you. It's gotten a little quiet, but in the spirit of keeping things moving, I took this one. $6.50, 14 minutes. This restaurant can be suspect, but if it's ready, the address is just around the corner. We can just get it done really quickly and make some money. Hi, picking up for Uber Eats, BD65B, Gabrielle. Perfect. 65B. Perfect, thank you. Appreciate that. I'll just put it in here. There you go, enjoy. Have a good one. You too, thanks so much. This has been such an unusual night. I've had every single order be leave at door, but then they're coming to the door and being ready to grab it. I really don't mind, but I don't get that often. But tonight it's been almost every single order. So what I do in that instance is I take a picture of the house or the number to prove I'm there. And I also write hand delivered, which goes to Uber and it goes to the customer so that they know, I know that I handed it to them. Just to ensure I protect myself so I can continue to another order like this one. $16.06, 34 minutes. I can knock this out in under 30. That will be amazing. This is good? Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, here you go.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thanks. Enjoy.
Thank you.
This night is continuing to roll and I love it. $12.04, 35 minutes. I don't love the 35 minutes, but I'm thinking that if this is a 15-minute drive, which it is to the house, then there's a good chance for an add-on. And my instincts were right. I got another one for $7.03 for an additional 14 minutes. That's it. Let's go grab them. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Sorry, I didn't notice.
Yeah, no problem. Perfect.
Oh, it was lying for a long time actually.
I just got it. So
Oh, okay.
I have no idea. Thank you. Yeah, you too. Thank you. Okay. So those last two orders took a combined 42 minutes. Not too bad. The offer they gave me, $19.07. But get this, the base pay, $19.07. Absolutely ridiculous that they have you drive that kind of distance and they don't tip. But you know what? I'm happy with $19. No complaints from me, other than it'd be nice if it was a little bit higher. Speaking of higher, that Thai restaurant offer, the customer increased her tip by $2.14. Absolutely love it. Thank you, Miss Customer. I appreciate it. So I've been out for 3.5 hours and I'm going to call it a night. My grand total for tonight, $80.33. You know what? I'll take it. I'm happy with that. Another successful Friday in the books. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time.